Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear student. Today we will start new syllabus of mathematics D2. D2 and new secondary mathematics D2 are same books. So today we will start the new syllabus mathematics D2 chapter number 2, expansions and factorization of quadratic expressions. In exercise 2A, advanced level, question number 9. In advanced level, only one question, question number 9. Today we will solve the advanced level question, question number 9. In question number 9, we have given that find and expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Expand and simplify each of the following expressions. Here, some expressions are given. We can expand and simplify. In first part, A part, given that 4x square minus 3x minus 4 into 2x plus 1. First of all, we can multiplying the both terms, so we can write that 4x square minus square bracket 3x multiplied by 2x plus 1 minus 4 into 2x plus 1. We can write that in this form: 4x square minus square bracket 3x into 2x plus 1 minus 4 into 2x plus 1 square bracket close. First of all, multiplying the quantities, then we have 4x square minus square bracket 2 3s are 6x square plus 3x minus 4 2s are 8x minus 4. Now we can opening the brackets, so before the negative sign change all sign in square bracket. The final answer is 4x square minus 6x square minus 3x plus 8x plus 4. Now we can adding the values: 4x square minus 6x square is equal to minus 2x square. 8x minus 3x is equal to plus 5x plus 4. So the final answer after the simplifying part 1 minus 2x square plus 5x plus 4. Now in B part we can solve 2 into x minus 6 minus 2x plus 5 into 7 minus x. Now first of all simplifying the following terms, so we can have multiplying 2x with x, 2x square minus 2 3s are 6x. Here two terms are multiplied, then use negative sign square bracket into 2x into 7 minus x plus 5 into 7 minus x, write in this form: 2x square plus 12x minus square bracket into 2x into 7 minus x plus 5 into 7 minus x. Now multiplying the values, then we have 2x square minus 12x minus square bracket 7 2s are 14, so 14x minus 2x square plus 7 5s are 35, 35 minus 5x. Now opening the square bracket, negative sign, change the all sign in between the square bracket. So we can write that 2x square minus 12x minus 14x plus 2x square minus 35 plus 5x. Now rearrange the values with respect to variables and higher power of variable. So 2x square plus 2x square minus 12x minus 14x plus 5x minus 35. 2x square plus 2x square, 4x square minus 12 minus 14 minus 12x and minus 14x is equal to minus 26x plus 5x, so minus 21x minus 35. Then the final answer of second part D part is 4x square minus 21x minus 35. In C part we have 4x minus 3 into x plus 2 minus 3x minus 5 into minus x minus 9. Now we have multiplying the both terms 4x into x plus 2 minus 3 into x plus 2 minus square bracket 3x into minus x minus 9 minus 5 into minus x minus 9. Now we have multiplying the values 4x square plus 4 2s are 8x minus 3 1s are 3x plus minus minus 3 2s are 6 minus square bracket minus x multiplied by minus 3x is minus 3x square minus 3 9s are 27x minus minus plus 5 ones are 5x minus minus plus 9 4 9 5s are 45. Now we opening the brackets negative sign change all the value in square bracket sign. So the final answer 4x 8x minus 3x is 5x, also minus 6x plus minus 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 plus plus 3x square 27 plus 5x is minus 22x minus 22 sign change with outward sign, so plus 22x minus 45. Now rearrange the values. We have 4x square plus 3x square plus 5x plus 22 minus 45 minus 6. 4x square plus 7x square is equal to 4x square plus 3x square is equal to 7x square, and 22x plus 5x is equal to 27x. 45 minus 6 is also equal to 51. Now the part C answer is 7x square plus 27x minus 51. Now in last part, D part of question number 9, 2x plus 3 into 5x minus 2 minus 2 into 5x minus 3 into x plus 1. Now first of all multiplying each value we have 2x into 5x minus 2 plus 3 into 5x minus 2 minus 2 square bracket 5x multiplied by x plus 5x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 1. Now we have minus 2 into square bracket x multiplied by 5x minus 3 plus 1 multiplied by 5x minus 3. Now multiplying the values, then find the answer. 5 2s are 10 x square and minus 2 2s are 4x plus 5 3s are 15x minus 3 2s are 6 minus 2 into square bracket 5x multiplied by x square 5x square minus 3x plus 5 ones are 5x minus 3. Now opening the bracket 2 is multiplying each term and negative sign change the square brackets all the signs. Now we have 10x square 15x plus 4 minus 4x is equal to plus 11x. So plus 11x minus 6x minus 5 twos are 10x square, 5x minus 3x, 2x plus 2x plus minus minus 2 twos are 4x, plus minus minus plus 2 threes are 6. Now rearrange the values. We have 10x square minus 10x square plus 11x square minus 4x plus 6x minus 6x. Plus 6x and minus 6x cancel out each term, then minus 10x square also cancel plus 10x square. Now the remaining answer 11x minus 4x is equal to 7x. Okay beta, best of luck in next video with next lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz. With good luck. Allah Hafiz.